traditional game, Filipino game mechanics. Objectives: to break the palayok, clay pot, and get the prize inside. So the materials needed is clay pot or palayok, and then prizes, candies, coins, or small items. And then the string or rope to hang the palayok, and the stick or wood bat, and the blindfold. So next is the game mechanics, how to play. So first is hang the palayok securely using a rope or string to an open area. Second is place a prize inside the palayok before hanging it. Third is choose a player and blindfold them. Fourth is spin the player around 2 to 3 times to disorient them. And 5 is give the player a stick.
The player walks toward where they think the palayok is. 7. The player swings the stick to try to hit and break the palayok. 8 is the player is allowed to limit number of swings, usually 1 to 3 tries. So 9 is the palayok breaks, the player wins the prize inside. 10, if not, the next player takes turn. So the rules of this game is the player must remain blindfolded during the turn. No assistance or direction from the audience. Turn and once the allow swings are used.
Okay na yun?